Hello guys, my name is Yansh Pandya and I've made a robot called the cheerful birds. So this is the herb. Here is the motor. The herb gives the power to the motor. So uh, there is a big gear attached to the motor by an axle. It moves the small gear here, and then the small gear again moves the big gear here. So after moving the after this moves, this axle will also move. So when the axle moves, these two cylindrical blocks will also move. So when I start my code, it will the birds will also move, because when the cylindrical blocks, both of them move these green blocks, and these green blocks move up and down. So this also goes up and down and also moves anti-clockwise and clockwise. So I've made a code. It shows that when the motion sensor senses any motion, it will start. But after again from the second time when it again senses the motion, it will stop. It is started. So this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Now I stop. Thank you. Or now